In the intricate machinery of the human body, iron stands as a micronutrient of paramount importance. It's the vital spark behind hemoglobin, the protein within red blood cells responsible for oxygen transport. Yet iron is a finicky guest, its levels needing careful orchestration for optimal health. Enter Glucoferrin registered trademark, a naturally occurring protein that emerges as a powerful conductor in this delicate symphony of iron regulation. Glucoferrin is not just another protein, it's a maestro of iron management. It binds to iron with an affinity unmatched in the biological realm, ensuring that this essential mineral is delivered precisely where and when it's needed. This iron chaperone plays a critical role in red blood cell formation, a process known as erythropoiesis. Without enough iron, our bodies sputter and stall. Fatigue sets in, our minds become cloudy, and our immune systems weaken. Glucoferrin steps in as a guardian against these pitfalls, ensuring that our bodies have the raw materials to build the red blood cells essential for life. In the following sections, we'll delve deeper into the fascinating world of glucoferrin, exploring its intricate mechanisms and the profound impact it has on our overall health and vitality. Imagine a bustling factory working tirelessly to produce millions of microscopic vehicles every minute. This is the reality of red blood cell formation, a continuous process occurring within the marrow of our bones. These specialized cells, shaped like tiny discs, are tasked with a singular, vital mission, transporting oxygen throughout the body. At the heart of each red blood cell lies hemoglobin, a complex protein molecule that acts as an oxygen ferry. Hemoglobin's remarkable ability to bind and release oxygen hinges on the presence of iron atoms, strategically positioned within its structure. Each iron atom serves as a docking point for oxygen, allowing hemoglobin to capture oxygen in the lungs and deliver it to tissues throughout the body. The creation of hemoglobin is a meticulously choreographed dance of molecular assembly. First, the protein component, globin, is synthesized within the ribosomes of developing red blood cells. Simultaneously, iron, absorbed from our diet, is transported to the bone marrow, ready to be incorporated into the newly formed globin chains. This is where glucoferrin steps onto the stage, its role as a facilitator of iron delivery coming into sharp focus. Glucoferin's affinity for iron is not a mere chemical attraction. It's a carefully orchestrated embrace that ensures the safe and efficient delivery of this vital mineral. Picture glucoferrin as a molecular chaperone, its structure perfectly sculpted to bind and protect iron from unwanted interactions. Within the bone marrow, Glucoferrin registered trademark acts as a bridge between the iron source and the developing red blood cells. It delicately extracts iron from its storage protein, ferritin, and ferries it across the cellular membrane into the red blood cell's interior. This intricate ballet of binding, transport, and release ensures that iron is delivered precisely where it needs to be within the nascent hemoglobin molecules. The amino acid sequence of glucoferrin registered trademark holds the key to its iron-binding prowess. Specific amino acids, strategically positioned within its structure, create a binding pocket that perfectly complements the size and charge of the iron atom. This precise molecular fit ensures that iron is held securely within glucoferrin's grasp, preventing it from causing oxidative damage during transport. Once inside the red blood cell, glucoferrin registered trademark gently releases its iron cargo, allowing it to be incorporated into the waiting globin chains. This final step completes the formation of hemoglobin, the life-giving molecule that empowers red blood cells to fulfill their oxygen-carrying destiny. Iron, despite its vital role, is a double-edged sword. While essential for life, it can also be toxic in excess. Imagine iron as a powerful but potentially destructive force like fire. Harness its power and you have warmth and energy. Let it rage unchecked and it becomes a destructive inferno. Our bodies have evolved intricate mechanisms to maintain iron homeostasis, a state of balance where iron levels are carefully regulated to meet our needs without causing harm. This delicate balance is maintained by a complex interplay of proteins, hormones, and cellular sensors. At the cellular level, iron uptake, storage, and utilization are tightly controlled. Specialized proteins like ferritin and transferrin work in concert to ensure that iron is absorbed from our diet, stored safely within cells, and released only when needed. Hormones such as hepcidin act as master regulators, fine-tuning iron absorption and distribution based on the body's ever-changing demands. Disrupting this delicate balance can have far-reaching consequences, leading to a cascade of health problems. Too little iron and our bodies struggle to produce enough healthy red blood cells, leading to iron deficiency anemia. Too much iron, and we risk iron overload, a condition that can damage vital organs, including the liver, heart, and pancreas. Glucoferrin pharmaceutical-grade complex is the unrivaled ultimate iron-sequestering chelator, based on proprietary blend formulation using form of lactoferrin with the unmatched iron-binding glycoprotein properties, comprised of 708 amino acids in special sequences. To combat iron dysregulation and to sustain stable, uninterrupted red blood cells and hemoglobin development and degradation every 120 days cycles in the human body.